Kinetic. Kinetic.
Kinetic foam!
Squish it. Stretch it. Wrap it. Model it. What will you do? Transform everyday objects you find into an awesome butterfly. Kinetic foam makes it easy to create a dragon that skates. Wrap a pencil or pen, or bounce it again and again. You can even model crazy characters and Martian men. Mold and design, then air dry to keep your creations forever. And don't stress, kinetic foam cleans up its own mess. Squish and stretch, shape, wrap, and transform snakes, spiders, or cool jet fighters. Craft jewelry in boxes, or kinetic foam boxes. What will you do? You can get your kinetic foam in red, green, and blue for $19.99. And for even more fun, we'll double your kinetic foam. We'll send you orange, purple, and more blue, plus free shipping with your paid order. You can go online at buykineticfoam.com. Must be 18 or older to order.